Hey, this is Morgan Titus, sales manager for the Greenville location for America's Home Place. We're out here in the hot South Carolina sun to show you a house that we have that's under construction. Mostly I'm just pointing out the garage today. Most builders out there will sheetrock their garages nowadays. America's Home Place, we try to take it a step further on your behalf and finish our garages. We want our garages to feel like an extension of the house. So they're sheetrocked, they have trim, window casing, baseboards, and they're completely painted. Ceilings, walls, trim, all of it. When you leave the house and enter into the garage, we don't want it to feel like you've left your house. We want it to still feel like it's part of it for you. We invite you to go out to the website, check out which houses are available with and without the garages. We'll work with you on that and add a garage if you'd like to add one, remove a garage if you don't want one. Either way, it all starts with visiting our website and helping you pick out which house plan is best for you. You can do that at americashomeplace.com. We look forward to meeting with you. Thanks.